Have you ever seen a sequence like this, and wondered, what kind of pattern is this supposed to be? In this video, we will talk about harmonic sequence. Let's begin. A harmonic sequence is a sequence whose reciprocals form an arithmetic sequence. So if this sequence is a harmonic sequence, the reciprocals will form an arithmetic sequence. Why is 3 over 5, 1 over 3, 3 over 13, 3 over 17, and so on, a harmonic sequence? Let's check it step by step. Let's take the reciprocals. Reciprocal of 3 over 5 is 5 over 3. Reciprocal of 1 over 3 is 3 over 1. Reciprocal of 3 over 13 is 13 over 3. And reciprocal of 3 over 17 is 17 over 3. So we get 5 over 3, 3 over 1, 13 over 3, 17 over 3, and so on. Now rewrite 3 over 1 as a fraction, where the denominator is 3. So we have 5 over 3, 9 over 3, 13 over 3, 17 over 3, and so on. Now look at the terms. Let's check if there is a common difference. 9 over 3 minus 5 over 3 equals 4 over 3. 13 over 3 minus 9 over 3 equals 4 over 3. 17 over 3 minus 13 over 3 equals 4 over 3. Since there is a common difference, which is 4 over 3, this is an arithmetic sequence. And since the reciprocals form an arithmetic sequence, the original sequence is a harmonic sequence. What if we are asked to determine the general term? Let's find a formula for the sequence. Let's look at the reciprocals form. We need to identify the pattern. The first term is 5 over 3. And the common difference is 4 over 3. Let's now use the general formula for arithmetic sequence. A sub n equals a sub 1 plus quantity n minus 1 times d. Substitute the given values. A sub n equals 5 over 3 plus quantity n minus 1 times 4 over 3. Let's simplify. Quantity n minus 1 times 4 over 3 is equal to 4n over 3 minus 4 over 3. Or simply, 4n minus 4 over 3. So now we have a sub n equals 5 over 3 plus 4n minus 4 over 3. Since 5 plus 4n minus 4 is equal to 4n plus 1, then we have a sub n equals 4n plus 1 over 3. This is the general term of the arithmetic sequence. If we take the reciprocal, the general term of the harmonic sequence is a sub n equals 3 over 4n plus 1. Now what if we are asked to determine the 35th term of the harmonic sequence? Just substitute 35 to the general term. A sub n equals 3 over 4 times 35 plus 1. Since 4 times 35 equals 140, and 140 plus 1 equals 141, the 35th term is 3 over 141. So now, when you see a sequence that looks unusual, remember, don't just analyze the terms. Try their reciprocals. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.